How to stream to YouTube from OBS Studio. First things first, once you open up your YouTube Studio, click Create and then go live. Then this should create you a new live stream. Now what you're going to do is go over to the stream key and then copy this key. After it says that it was successfully copied to clipboard, open OBS Studio and then head over to Settings. Once settings appear, go to the stream and then go select which service. In our case, it's YouTube. Then click this Use Stream key and then paste your stream key here. After you've done that, go ahead and click Apply to save all the changes. As you can see, it's already setting some stuff up, but once I click this Start Streaming button, it will start to stream. But let me first things first go over to the edit and put this stream to private so nobody can see it, so I can test you to show you how it looks like. So let me just go over to private and then click save. Then if I go back to the OBS Studio and then click this Start Streaming, it should start streaming. So if I go back to YouTube Studio, you should see that we're now live. It might take a while, but as you can see, yep, we are now live on YouTube.